Okay, I've been waiting to make this math problem for a long time. So this is called the Mold Brown Toad, and it's about Uber fares. So if you were to drive for Uber, here's how you get paid. When somebody orders a ride from you, they pay a base fare of 76 cents. Then the miles you drive them gets taken times 0.7992 cents. The time in minutes is times 0.1152 cents. Basically 11, that's 11 and a half cents, basically 11 and a half cents per minute. And then that would be almost 80 cents. I guess that'd be almost 80 cents a minute. And then the driver also gets to add on extra money if you did a good job, also known as the tip, just like anything else. And then there's also a surge. Sometimes that happens when demand is really high, you get paid extra. And then plus the wait time is the minutes times 18 cents. So every minute you're waiting to pick them up, you get paid 18 cents for that minute. So all these little things add up, and then that's just one ride. And then you take several rides and you make lots of money. I even have an example here. So I screenshotted this from an actual real ride, and here's how they calculate some of the values. So again, there's the base fare, there's the distance, there's the time, there's the tip, there's the surge, and then there's the wait time. So then all of these numbers add up to give you your total amount of money that you get paid just for that ride. All right. So let's see here. We had about a 7.5 minute ride, almost 3 miles. Looks like the rider tipped $3.39. That must have been a percentage off the price. Surge was $6, so just giving them that ride cost them $6 extra. Must have been a busy time. But anyway, let's do some math here. Okay, use the following values to calculate the cost. So I break it down. You don't need the whole thing at once. Round all answers to the nearest cent. You need to find the distance money, the time money, the weight money, and then add up all of the monies together. So it's basically like 3 multiplications, and then you're done here, okay? So a distance of 7.6 miles, if we go back up here, I got to take that times 0.7992, and then round that to the nearest cent. Minutes, I have to take, what does it say here? Minutes, times 0.1152. Now, I don't understand. That's a half a cent. That's 2/100ths of a cent. I'm not sure where that actually comes from, but hey, I'm not the one that makes these math problems. The tip is $1. You're just going to add that at the end. The surge, you just get to add that at the end. So we got to save these for later. We're going to add you. We're going to add you. And then the wait time was 207 seconds. Geez, Louise, person, get on your horse and get in my car. Wait time is the minutes times 18 seconds. So how do we do that? Oh, I know. Probably got to go 207 seconds divided by 60 to get the minutes. And then we're going to take that times 18 cents. Okay, so basically the 3 multiplications go here, and then go here. Okay, so we're going to take these 3 numbers and then add those 2 numbers to get to the final one. All right, so we got to go 1 multiplication at a time. Remember, round to the nearest cent. Okay, here we go. Pretty sure I made these all work out nice. If you're off by a penny, let me know. I should fix it in Schoology, but I think I spent some time in Schoology to make sure everything worked out perfectly to the nearest cent. Okay, so 7.5 miles times the mileage rate is going to be, to the nearest cent, students, $6.07. So I made $6.07 on just the distance. The time, 16.4 times 0.1152. The time I made $1.89. Okay. And then the wait time, 207 seconds. I think I can do the whole thing at once. 207 divided by 60 times 18 cents. 62 cents. Ouch. That's a livable wage right there. Okay. So all of those to the nearest cent. Now, final move. You got to take the distance. Okay. Ooh, I almost forgot the base fare. Ooh, don't forget about the base fare. Ooh, that was close. So base fare is going to be 76 cents. I'm just going to kind of write everything down here. So the base fare in a row, then the distance. I already got the distance figured out. So here's 6:07. And then the time is next on the list. I'm not going to keep shifting it. It's all up here. So I'm just going to kind of go in order. Base fare plus the distance plus the time, and then they tipped me $1, and then they got surge price $6.22, and then the wait time was 62 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Let me double check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Technically, I should have made a list right next to this one, but hey, what are you going to do? The answer is right here. I've already made my choice. All right, so very carefully, let's add up all these numbers and see what we get. So we have 0.67. There's the base fare, plus how much I get paid for the distance, plus how much I got paid for the minutes, plus how much I got for the tip, plus how much I got for the surge, plus how much I got for the wait time. 6 numbers combine to make the final fare. And at the end of that ride, I am now $16.59 richer. Good for me. Okay, so that is a real life application right there. Now the crazy thing is that the app and it calculates it all instantly. Like within 30 seconds of dropping somebody off, this number already pops up. Hey, boom, you made this much money for what took us about 6 minutes took the cell phone about 6 seconds. So, but that's what it's good for, right? It can do all those things for us. So, anywho, a little bit of a math problem there. So again, don't forget to. I almost messed up at the end. I almost forgot to include the fare. So maybe one thing that you should do is, as you're doing this math problem, make sure you're checking things off the list of all 6 inputs that go into the total fare. Okay, that was the mold brown toad Uber fares. Oh, look, I even made a nice little picture. Terrible driver. You're not supposed to do that. You don't hold it in your hand. You put it on the dashboard. You're going to get in trouble. Anyway, moving on. Boom, all done.